Hey everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and yes, we have the second trailer drop from Kalki 289880. So they have titled it as the release trailer because the release is right around the corner. So I do not want to delay this any further. I'm very excited to watch the trailer, and yes, let us begin.
సమయం వచ్చింది. భగవంతుని కల్పన సమస్త సృష్టి ఉంటుందంటారు. అలాంటిది మీ కడుపులో ఆ భగవంతుడే ఉన్నాడు.
The music, oh, that shot.
రేపటి కోసం
ఈరోజుని చంపితే రేపేలా ఉంటుంది?
నేను కాపాడుతా.
ఒక పెద్ద బౌంటీ, వన్ షాట్ కాంప్లెక్స్కి వెళ్ళిపోతా.
Okay.
సరే,
The Bachchan looks.
ఇంకా చాలు.
Okay, the music.
ఎన్ని యుగాలైనా ఎన్ని అవకాశాలు ఇచ్చినా మనిషి మారలేడు.
He looks. Oh my god.
చీకటే చాలదా ధర్మముకే పాటరా మాధవా రాముదా మరచితివేమో మాటని. ఇది కాదా కలికాలం, ఇక చాలి పెను శాపం, వెలిగేనా మహాపాపం.
I'm not able to process this. It's so good.
మాధవా
ఇంతవరకు ఒక్క ఫైట్ కూడా ఓడిపోలేదు. ఇది కూడా ఓడిపోను. ఈసారి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యి వచ్చాను.
Okay. I'm watching it again. There's just so much. And you know what the best part about this trailer, what I liked is, I like it much more than the first one. This is like, the way this is edited, I love this one. I absolutely love this one. That was also good, but this one is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Like the shots that they chose to show here, the kind of narrative that it's setting. And like I said, the best part about this trailer is that you see that every character, it's not like, okay, just this one character, say it's Bhairav for example, only the focus is on him. No, it's, you see that all the characters, be it Deepika's character, Prabhas's character, Amitabh Bachchan's character, and you see that the importance is given to everybody in the trailer itself. And I'm pretty sure that's the same case which is going to happen in the film. So the trailer is kind of suggesting me that the film overall is not really character driven, as opposed to it's more like story driven. Like the story is driving the characters are not driving the story. I hope this is what it's suggesting to me. I'm watching it again. Also, Kamal Haasan sir's look in this, like now you can see the face and the body structure even better in this one. That one shot was absolutely insane. The makeup department, what? There's just so much. Okay, wait, every frame, each and every frame of this trailer was epic, of epic proportions. Okay, also the music.
సమయం వచ్చింది. భగవంతుని కల్పన సమస్త సృష్టి
I'm very interested to see how does he get the money back.
ఉంటుందంటారు. అలాంటిది మీ
Just that shot, phenomenal.
భగవంతుని కల్పన
I'm gonna pause now.
సమస్త
Just to
సృష్టి
appreciate the frames. I'm gonna pause.
ఉంటుందంటారు. అలాంటిది మీ కడుపులో ఆ భగవంతుడే ఉన్నాడు.
He looks, the makeup, the makeup is the casting choice of casting Ashwathama, like Amitabh Bachchan as Ashwathama. Oh my goodness. Oh, this looks perfection. This looks perfection, guys. Crazy. So good. I can see I'm able to appreciate the VFX, the CGI even more in this trailer. It looks such a beauty, man. It looks such a beauty. Oh my goodness.
రేపటి కోసం
ఈరోజుని చంపితే రేపేలా ఉంటుంది.
I like how the he has that device. I don't know what that is. Okay.
నేను కాపాడుతా.
ఒక పెద్ద బౌంటీ, వన్ షాట్.
I love this contrast of what I have understood now, that Bhairav is a character who just wants, he's a bounty hunter, and he has a very casual kind of attitude. He's very carefree. In contrast to Bhairav's attitude and persona, you have Ashwathama. Just the contrasting personalities itself and the conflict, at the beginning conflict is going to be that is only making me so excited. Like, how is that whole relationship or that whole enmity, so to speak, will pan out. Okay. Outfits,
కాంప్లెక్స్కి వెళ్ళిపోతాం.
even the lighting, the night shots, very well done. Very well done.
సరే, ఇంకా చాలు.
Yes, this is one fight sequence I'm so looking forward to. Just the transition of him, Ashwathama, when he was at his prime. He's still in this film and he's old, but the younger self of Amitabh Bachchan, oh my god, epic.
ఎన్ని యుగాలైనా ఎన్ని అవకాశాలు ఇచ్చినా మనిషి మారలేడు.
This one shot of him is enough to make me scared of the dude. Not kidding, guys, not kidding. Phenomenal makeup done. What do I even say? It looks so good. I mean, I liked the trailer, but the release trailer has just taken it to the next level, guys. Has just taken it to the next level.
చీకటే చాలదా
But this is going to be the major battle, I feel. Oh my God. Like every shot from when the song starts, every shot from there is just beauty. Just a beauty. Oh my God.
ఆటరా మాధవా రాముగా
The warlike, battle. Oh, this is I feel obviously this, from the looks of it, this seems to be like the finale fight, the climactic sequence fight, the big battle, everything that'll lead up to the big battle, which is, well, this is Kali Yuga, yes. Oh my God. In the end, when he comes, Prabhas, this
ఇంతవరకు
time
ఒక్క
I
ఫైట్ కూడా
came
ఓడిపోలేదు.
prepared.
ఇది కూడా ఓడిపోను.
This I feel when he says, this time I've come prepared. This is where he's fighting alongside Ashwathama, is what I feel. This is from the final battle. It's all guesswork, guys. All guesswork.
ఈసారి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యి వచ్చాను. దా.
Wow. Just wow. Nothing more to say. Nothing more to say, guys. This was pure bliss to watch. This was pure bliss to watch, a treat for my eyes. The BGM used phenomenal, everybody's screen presence phenomenal, visual effects, kudos whoever was part of the visual effects team. You have done, just from the final render that I'm seeing, phenomenally executed, guys. I mean, please pat yourself at the back. I loved everything about this. It's beyond love for me right now. I am so looking forward to how the story unfolds, and I feel so happy to see, there is this discourse that, oh, this is getting compared to Hollywood and stuff. Let it be get compared to the levels of the big budget films of Hollywood. I'm sure the budget for this and the budget for the big Hollywood films, the sci-fi films, I'm sure there's still a huge difference in that. And this is the product that we are getting. We should be so proud and looking forward to. Now everything is great. Everything, like, it has ticked all the check boxes for me. It has ticked all the check boxes for me. The final check box is the execution of the story that this is going to bring to us. How the entire film looks, the final piece of the puzzle is that for us audience. And I just hope that box also gets a huge tick from all our ends, guys, from all our ends. So yes, very, very excited to catch this film in the theaters. Oh, this is going to be a spectacle for sure. So yes, I want to know. So these are my thoughts. Obviously, I'm sure there are people, probably you feel a little different. You think that no, the first trailer was much better edited and cut out. I feel this was edited. Like, this gave me a narrative. This gave me a narrative. This invoked, like, some emotion inside of me. I love that when the trailer gets an emotion out of me. It makes me feel something about the characters from beforehand only. I love that fact. So that's why I'm very positive and pumped up after watching this trailer. But I definitely want to know your thoughts. So please share them in the comments below. These were my thoughts. And yes, I'm going to sign off from this video now. Wishing the entire team of Kalki, wishing Nag Ashwin all the very best. I really, really hope this shatters all box office records. And yeah, that's it. With that note, I will end this video here. And I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.